Preparing your HVAC system for fall in Newark, Delaware. As summer winds down in Newark and cooler temperatures approach, it's time to prepare your HVAC system for fall. Transitioning your heating and cooling equipment properly can save you money, extend the life of your system, and keep your home comfortable as the seasons change. Aire Serv of Newark offers expert advice and professional services to help you get ready for fall with confidence. Why fall HVAC preparation matters. Fall is a season of fluctuating temperatures, and your HVAC system will work differently than in summer. Proper preparation helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, improve energy efficiency, ensure optimal indoor comfort, extend equipment lifespan. Key steps to prepare your HVAC system for fall. 1. Schedule a fall HVAC tune-up. A professional inspection and tune-up is the most important step. Our technicians will check heating components for safety and function, inspect and clean furnace burners or heat pumps, test thermostat operation, examine electrical connections, clear or replace air filters, clean condenser coils if your AC is still in use. 2. Replace or clean air filters. Dirty filters reduce airflow and force your system to work harder. Changing filters regularly is essential for efficient heating and good air quality. 3. Check and seal ductwork. Leaky ducts reduce heating efficiency and can allow dust or allergens into your home. Inspect visible ductwork for gaps or damage and seal as needed. 4. Inspect carbon monoxide detectors. If your home has a gas furnace, test your carbon monoxide detectors to ensure they're working properly. Safety first. 5. Clean vents and registers. Vacuum or dust vents and registers to maintain airflow and reduce allergens. Tips for homeowners. Program your thermostat for cooler nights and warmer days to save energy. Close windows and doors tightly as temperatures drop. Keep heat-producing appliances like ovens and dryers clean to reduce indoor pollution. Why choose Aire Serv of Newark? Our local technicians know Newark's climate and common HVAC issues. We provide reliable, professional service to keep your home comfortable year-round. Prepare your HVAC system now for a cozy, worry-free fall. Contact Aire Serv of Newark today to schedule your fall maintenance appointment.